Okay, so here is a really cool product from 7Rhymes. It's a RimoMic Lite LN. And this is a wireless microphone for your iPhone. So you have both a receiver and a sender. So I will unbox this, and then later on I will also try it out with my iPhone, as you can see there. So let's start by unboxing this. Let's find some way to remove the plastic first. Like so. And here we have the box, as you can see. A receiver for the iPhone and a sender microphone, wireless. And here is some features, as you can see. Up to 30 meter in range. That's really good. And a real-time monitor for both the phone and the microphone. And a visual power and volume monitor. And adjustable volume and low-cut filter. And it's auto pairing and IR sync. And it's a rechargeable battery in the sender, the microphone itself. And we have a USB-C charging port, as you can see there. And here it is in different colors, as you see. This is the black version, as you can see there. So that's the black version in this box. And I will link down below where you can find more information and buy this product. Wow, they're really small. I thought they look bigger on the box itself, but when opening up it seems very much smaller than I thought they would be. And what's more in the box? This is what's in the box. A carrying bag, pouch, some instruction how to pair it and so on. And here we probably have a charging cable, as you can see, a USB Type-C and a USB-A. That's nice, but no charging brick, exactly as Apple is doing it. But a very short cable, but probably enough to charge it. And what's more in the box? We have, I don't really know what this is, but let's open it up to see. Ah, a wind protection for the mic. Cool. I didn't know that. From 7Rhymes. Cool. Nice. Okay, that's what's in the box. Let's see the wireless microphone. Wow, this was hard to unbox. Okay. The mic and the receiver. Very hard. Cool. So this is the receiver for the iPhone. 7Rhymes RimoMic Lite LN RX. It uses UHF band, so it's a kind of radio wireless connection. Cool. We have a headphone jack here for listening to what you are recording. That's nice. An IR sensor and a pair button to pair them together. Really nice. And here we have the microphone itself, as you can see. Really nice. I love this product. It's very light to carry. And here we have volume buttons to raise the volume on the mic, and also on off button. And here we have the charging port, USB-C, and an IR receiver. Cool. So now we'll need to try this, but I think I need to charge this first and so on. Okay, so let's try to pair these two, the transmitter and the receiver. Let's mount this on the iPhone, like so, and it starts up, like so. Now we should pair these somehow. So I think they are paired now actually. So I only hold it exactly with the IR sensor, as you can see there, and then I turn this on, so I think it works now actually. So as you can see, we have a volume. I can raise the volume on the microphone, hopefully, like so. Let's try to record something on the iPhone. So now I've hit the record button on my iPhone. So this is a video recorded with the new RimoMic Lite LN from 7 Rhymes. So I'm recording this with my iPhone with the microphone receiver attached to the iPhone, and I have the microphone up on my hoodie here. So let's see how good this sound will be. I have paired it as I should with the instruction here. So hopefully this sound is good enough. So it will be interesting to see how good it is. And this sound is recorded about 3 meters from the iPhone. So this sound will hopefully sounds good 3 meters from the iPhone itself and the receiver of the microphone. So hopefully this sound is great for recording videos. And this is recorded 5 meters from the iPhone. I am inside a building. As you can hear, the sound of this wireless microphone is fantastic. You can easily use this for vlogging and so on using an iPhone. This is the lightning version, the lightning port version that you use for iPhone and some iPads. But 7 Rhymes also sells this with an USB-C port instead of the lightning connector. So you can use it for Android phones, computers and so on, and also the new iPad Air 4 that I have, for example, or the iPad Pro. So I can highly recommend buying this. It's worth every penny actually. It's really, really great. As you can hear in this video, the sound is perfect. So go check the links out in the description text to where you can buy this. So that's it for this test of this excellent wireless microphone. I hope you like this sound, because I think this could be very interesting to use with vlogging, for example. Vlogging with my iPhone with this receiver attached to the iPhone works great. I think it's a very, very cool solution to recording vlogs with a wireless microphone. I really like this actually. This is a very cool product. You find links down below in the description where to buy this, and I think you will be very satisfied with this. Okay, bye.